Welcome to our video on the Navy Federal GoBiz Rewards Credit Card. If you're a business owner looking for a credit card that can help you earn rewards and manage expenses, then you're in the right place. In today's world, having a business credit card is essential for entrepreneurs and small business owners. It helps to separate personal and business expenses, improve your credit, and earn rewards. However, getting a business credit card may seem like a daunting task, especially if you're a sole proprietor or just starting. Fortunately, there is a way to get a business credit card with no documents required, and that's through Navy Federal Credit Union. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. And if you're interested in learning more about the Navy Federal Credit Union, feel free to check out our Navy Federal playlist in the link provided in the description below. Let's jump right into it. Basic prerequisites. First, you must be a Navy Federal Credit Union member to apply for the business credit card. You can't get a business checking account without being a member, so sign up and become a member. If you're an LLC, make sure to have your IN. You can also apply for the business credit card as a sole proprietor. Also, if you're considering applying for the Navy Federal GoBiz Rewards Credit Card, it's important to note that having a credit score of at least 670 is recommended. However, even if your credit score is slightly lower than this, you may still be able to get approved for the card. This is because Navy Federal Credit Union takes other factors into account, such as your relationship with them and your history of banking with Navy Federal, in addition to your income and debt-to-income ratio when reviewing your application. Having a strong relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union can work in your favor when applying for this credit card. If you have a good history of banking with them, they may be more likely to approve your application even if your credit score is slightly lower. However, keep in mind that having a higher credit score may still give you better terms and benefits when using the card. The benefits of having a Navy Federal Business Credit Card. One of the biggest benefits of having a Navy Federal GoBiz Rewards Credit Card is that it has a 0% annual fee. This means that you won't have to worry about paying any extra fees just to keep the card open. This can be a huge relief for business owners who are already trying to manage their expenses. Another benefit is that the rewards program can help you save money on business expenses. You can earn points on every purchase you make with the card, which can then be redeemed for cashback, merchandise, travel, and more. This can help offset the costs of running your business and make it easier to manage your cash flow. In addition to the rewards program, the Navy Federal GoBiz Rewards Credit Card also offers a range of other benefits, such as travel and emergency assistance services, fraud protection, and purchase protection. These features can provide added peace of mind when using your card for business expenses. Overall, the Navy Federal GoBiz Rewards Credit Card is a great choice for business owners who are looking for a reliable credit card with a solid rewards program and no annual fee. With its competitive rates, flexible rewards program, and a range of other benefits, it can help you save money and manage your business expenses more effectively. How to maximize the benefits of your Navy Federal Business Credit Card. Once you have been approved for a Navy Federal Business Credit Card, there are several ways to maximize its benefits. For example, you can use the card for all of your business expenses to earn rewards points or cash back, pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and keep track of your spending to ensure you stay within your budget. High-risk industries. Navy Federal Credit Union may not approve your application if you're in a high-risk industry. Therefore, it's essential to make sure your business is in a safe industry area. Some examples of high-risk industries include credit repair and business consulting. If you're not sure whether your business is in a high-risk industry, comment below, and we'll make a video about it. Credit card options. Navy Federal Credit Union offers one business credit card that allows you to choose between a Visa or MasterCard. You can earn rewards, and it's an excellent stepping stone for business loans and lines of credit. How to redeem rewards points. Cardholders can redeem rewards points earned on the Navy Federal GoBiz Rewards Credit Card for a variety of rewards, including cashback, gift cards, merchandise, and travel. Redemption options vary in value, so it's important to compare the redemption value of each option before making a decision. Points can be redeemed online through the Navy Federal Rewards Center. Relationship banking. The most challenging part of getting a business credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union is getting approved for the business checking account. It's all about relationship banking. Navy Federal Credit Union wants to establish a relationship with you, so it's essential to open a business checking account and maintain a positive balance. In conclusion, the Navy Federal Business Credit Card can be an excellent resource for small business owners who are looking for financing options. While the application process may be challenging, taking the time to ensure that your personal and business finances are in order can increase your chances of approval. Once you have been approved, be sure to take advantage of the card's benefits by using it for all of your business expenses and paying off the balance in full each month. By doing so, you can help grow your business while saving money on necessary expenses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, don't forget to check out our Navy Federal playlist for more helpful tips and information about Navy Federal and its products. Thanks for watching.